Hi everyone, here I am drawing the rough diagram of a skeletal system. What is skeletal system? The skeletal system is a framework of bone that gives the shape and structure to the body. Here are the parts of a skeletal system. Let us see them. The skull. The bone structure of a head is known as a skull. It is made up of 22 bones. What is the uses of this bone? 8 bones protects the brain and remaining 14 bones that make up the face. Okay. Here I am drawing the backbone. The backbone is found in the middle of a back. It is made up of 33 small bones called vertebra. They form a column called the vertebral column. This column is connected to the upper part of a body and to the lower part of a body. What is the uses of this backbone? They support the entire body. It is very important set of bones. It helps us to bend, twist our body, isn't it? And it is a hollow in shape. Then you can see the rib cage. The rib cage is a cage-like structure that starts from below the shoulder and ends at the waist. It is formed of 12 pairs of bones called ribs. Each rib is a thin flat bone that is joined with the long backbone and with the flat breastbone called the sternum at the front. The last two pairs of ribs are attached only to the backbone and not to the sternum. These ribs are also called as a floating ribs. What is the uses of this rib cage? They protect the important organs such as heart and the lungs. Here I am drawing the girdle. A girdle is a bone or a group of bones that connects a limb to a central structure of a body. There are two girdles found in a human body. They are pectoral girdle and the pelvic girdle. What is pectoral girdle? This pectoral girdle is also known as the shoulder girdle. It connects the forelimb to the rib cage and to the bones. This pelvic girdle, it connects the hind limb to the rib cage and the backbone. What is the uses of this girdle? The girdle helps in movement of a body. You can see here the fifth part of the skeletal system, that is bone in our limbs. There are two pairs of limbs in a body, forelimbs and the hind limbs. The arms are known as the forelimbs and the legs are known as the hind limbs. At their end, arms have hands and fingers while legs have feet and toes. The thick bone, also called as a femur, it is the longest bone in a body. It bears the whole weight of a body. The bone of this lower leg, ankle and foot are short and small. What is the uses of these limbs? Our limbs helps in moving our hands and feet, doing work, walking, picking up things and writing, etc. If you like this video and my explanation, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you. Here is one more another important thing, that is a joints. In a skeletal system there are many joints. Joints are places where two or more bones connect, and these joints are two types, movable joints and immovable joints. What is movable joints? If the bones attached at the joint can move with respect to each other, then it is called as a movable joint. What is immovable joint? If a bone are readily attached to each other, then it is called a immovable joint. Joints in a skull are immovable joint. All the other joints are movable joints. With the help of these joints, we are able to move our body parts. Thank you.